Hi, third grade. Welcome to another awesome week of online learning. So for this week, don't forget that our optional morning meeting is at 10:20 each weekday. You can find the link to get to that meeting right here in the resources section. You will notice that there are no days listed on these different activities below. I'm hoping that this increased flexibility will help make everything a little less stressful. So please plan to complete all of the activities for the week by Thursday evening, with Friday as a catch-up day. The first activity, you have the opportunity to finish the Mysteries of the Deep South mystery lesson that you started last week. So all of the information that you need for this is linked in Google Classrooms. So you'll go into your Google Classroom through ClassLink, and you'll scroll to the Mysteries of the Deep South assignment. You will be reading this article right here and asking yourself the question at the end, what happened to these Native Americans? You'll be clicking on this Google Slides called Mysteries of the Deep South, Google Slides, and you will be, let's see if my screen will do the same thing as yours. No, mine's the teacher view, but you'll click on that if you haven't already, and you'll go over to the right-hand side, and you'll be able to click on the template of it. You will drag the clues around on the page in some sort of order and then come up with your hypothesis of what you think happened to those Native Americans. After you've done that, you'll press the turn in button for the Mysteries of the Deep South, and then you'll record yourself on Flipgrid saying what your hypothesis is. So to do Flipgrid, the directions are right here. You'll have to click the link down here and enter your school email. So it's your student number or your username followed by this right here. And then you'll click the green plus sign to record your video. I would love for you guys to finish this on Monday because on Tuesday we're going to talk about the answer at our morning meeting. All right, your other activities for the week are to complete a Trail of Tears Nearpod. You can access it by clicking the link here and entering this code. In Google Classrooms, you'll notice that the Nearpod is linked at the bottom of the announcement as well. So when you go to that Nearpod, it's a really long Nearpod, but it has a lot of good information. So I don't want you to feel like you have to do it all at one time, but I do want to make sure that you are going through the whole activity. It's going to give you a lot of really good information. It has some really good video clips and pulling some things that you've learned in your homeroom class. Keeping in mind that we are going to be doing a bigger project about the Trail of Tears when you guys come back from spring break. So make sure you're paying really close attention and doing a great job with that. After you finish the Nearpod, we are going to finish up our Word Masters lists. So you guys started that last week as the Word Masters List 3 assignment in Google Classrooms. So you will just go back into that list. You'll click on it, and then you'll start defining those words. So just like we do in class together, you'll right-click on the word and then click Define, fill in the information that you need. When you're all finished with all 25 words, you can go ahead and turn it in. I can't wait to see your great work.